Looks like someone's repaired this before. I'm gonna leave that on there.
40.
It's been working. What's a 40?
Or take the metal, please.
I think it comes off together, the whole thing. Maybe we can take the whole thing off complete. Yeah. Only thing is, the rivet. Someone put a rivet right there. Huh. But that rivet doesn't belong to.
No. Okay. Easy.
I think. Oh, I see what happened. It's supposed to be riveted. The hole was messed up, so they put a new hole in there. That's what it is, Wolf. So you have to drill that one off. Yeah.
Oh, just like?
Mm-hmm.
It's here.
Mm-hmm.
Man.
Put it in the bagajnik.
Nice.
Put this in the trunk.
How you explain that guy's bagajnik? English guy.
Bagajnik is a trunk in Russian. Okay, I'm gonna take the rest of this crap off. The black pieces to come off.
Push. No, push up.
I am pushing up.
I don't see. Okay. Oh, has some more. There we go. Go like. Oh, this too?
It's already ripped out. Okay.
Let's go.
All right, pull.
It's not easy.
Fit the trunk?
So you want to show something?
No, I don't want to show anything. I want to take it to the office, but I don't want to scratch the sides. Let's go in the office. So that's how the bumper comes off and gets all removed and all that stuff. Alex said I just ripped the bumper off the car, which we literally did almost. Ow, nails. But